In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an inventory adjustment in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to correct your stock on hand when a stock take finds a variance, when items are damaged, or when you need to tidy up quantities for accurate reporting. Start by opening Xero and heading to Sales. This is where Xero keeps the list of items you sell. From there, choose Products and Services. This page shows every item you've set up, along with its current on-hand quantity if it's tracked. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the correct item list and that the product you want to adjust is set up as tracked inventory. Find the product you want to change, then click the three dots to open the More Options menu for that item. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the exact product code or name. Double check you've selected the right item to avoid adjusting the wrong stock. Next, click Adjustment. This opens the Inventory Adjustment form, which lets you record a one-off movement in quantity and post the corresponding accounting entry to the account you choose. Now, select the adjustment type. Choose an increase if you're bringing stock in due to a stock take correction or found items, and choose a decrease for shrinkage, damage, expiry, or write-offs. Picking the correct type ensures the quantity moves in the right direction and the accounting is reflected properly. Enter increase quantity, buy, and type the number of units you're adding. Use whole numbers unless your item is set up to allow decimals. If you're decreasing instead, Xero will prompt you for the appropriate quantity field based on the type you selected. Be sure the unit of measure matches how you count the item physically. Select the adjustment account. This is where the balancing value of the adjustment is posted. Many businesses use an inventory adjustments or stock shrinkage expense account for decreases and a similar adjustment account for increases. If you're unsure which account to use, check your chart of accounts or consult your advisor to keep your financials clean. Enter a clear reference. Include what happened and why, such as March stock take variance, aisle 3, or damaged on receipt. This creates a solid audit trail and helps future you understand the change at a glance. Click Next to review. Confirm the item, adjustment type, quantity, account, and reference look right. When you're happy, click Post Adjustment. Xero updates the on-hand quantity immediately and records the accounting impact behind the scenes. Refresh your Products and Services page to see the new balance, and repeat the process for any other items you need to correct. That's it. Quick, accurate, and fully traceable. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling in Xero.